Right now, someone in Brampton is searching for exactly what you sell. But if you aren't in these top 3 spots on the map, you don't exist to them. You're invisible. Most business owners think they just need more keywords, but I'm going to show you the 3 technical trust conflicts that are actually keeping you hidden and exactly how to fix them in the next 5 minutes. Reason number 1 is what we call a trust conflict. If your address says Suite 201 on Google, but just Unit 2 on your Facebook page, Google gets confused. When Google is confused, it doesn't rank you. Action step. Go to your profile right now and ensure your name, address, and phone number, your NAP, is identical across every single site on the web. Reason 2. You've set your service area too wide. If you're a local agency in Brampton, but you've told Google you serve all of Ontario, you're diluting your local authority. Google wants to show the most relevant local result. Narrow your service area to the specific neighborhoods you actually serve, like Peel Village or Castlemore, and watch your local ranking jump. The final reason? You're trying too hard. Adding keywords like Best Web Design Brampton into your actual business name field is a violation of Google's terms. It might work for a week, but then Google shadow bans your profile. We see this all the time at Innovative Agency Canada. Stick to your real name and use your description and services tabs for those keywords instead. If you fix these 3 things and you're still not showing up, there might be a deeper technical issue with your site's SEO. I don't want you to guess. I'm offering 5 free deep dive SEO audits this week for Brampton business owners. Comment "Fix" below, and I'll personally take a look at your profile. Don't stay invisible.